Hello, Turbo Girl. Today we are going to learn how to subtract numbers.
I know. When we subtract two numbers, we are finding the difference between them.
Very good. Let's start by working out the difference between 855 and 190. First, we put the digits under the columns according to their place value.
Just like addition.
Exactly. But in subtraction, we always put the bigger number above the smaller number.
Okay, then we will subtract the ones first.
Yes.
5 ones minus 0 is 5 ones. So I'll write 5 in the ones column.
Good. Next, we subtract the tens. As there are not enough tens to subtract from, we need to take 100 from 8 hundredths, leaving 7 hundredths. We then add 10 tens to 5 tens and rename 5 tens as 15 tens.
Okay, 100 is equal to 10 tens.
Now, 15 minus 9 is 6. So we write 6 in the tens column.
After this, we will subtract the hundreds.
That's right. 7 hundredths minus 100 is 6 hundredths.
So we write 6 in the hundreds column.
Therefore, the difference between 855 and 190 is
665.
Now we are going to learn to subtract a 2-digit number from a 4-digit number. Look at the next question, Turbo Girl. What is the difference between 1,743 and 38?
Okay, let me put the digits in their respective columns first. Now, I'm ready to start. Subtract the ones. 3 minus 8.
There are not enough ones to subtract from. What should you do?
I need to take 1 10 from 4 tens and rename 4 tens and 3 ones as 3 tens and 13.
That's right. Now, 13 minus 8 is
5. So I'll write 5 in the ones column.
After that,
I have to subtract the tens. 3 tens minus 3 tens is 0. Hence, I write 0 in the tens column.
yes.
Now, I subtract the hundreds. Hey, there is no digit below 700. How do I subtract then?
In this case, when there is no digit, it means that there is no value or 0.
So I'll take it as 700 minus nothing?
Yes.
In that case, 700 take away 0 is 700. 1000 take away 0 is 1000.
Therefore, the difference between 1,743 and 38 is
1705.
Good work, Turbo Girl. Let us look at subtracting 3-digit numbers from 4-digit numbers now.
Wow, 4-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. Is it difficult?
Not really. It is just using bigger numbers for subtraction. Why don't we try together, Turbo Girl? What does 6,765 minus 178 equals to?
Okay, we always have to arrange the digits accordingly to their place value, right?
That's right. Then subtract the ones first. 5 ones minus 8 ones. Do you remember what you need to do if there are not enough ones to subtract from?
I need to do renaming. In this case, I need to rename 6 tens and 5 ones as 5 tens and 15 ones.
Good! 15 minus 8 is 7. So, we will write 7 in the ones column.
Next, I need to subtract the tens. Since there are not enough tens to subtract from, I need to take 100 from 700s and rename 700s and 5 tens as 600s and 15 tens. 15 minus 7 is 8. So I write 8 in the tens column. In the next step, I will subtract the hundreds. 6 hundreds take away 100 is 5 hundreds.
Good! Now, write 5 under the hundreds column and do the subtraction under the thousands column.
There's no digit under the 6,000s. That means the number 178 has no thousand value. So, I take 6,000s minus 0 and I get 6,000s. Hence, I write 6 in the thousands column. The difference between 6,765 and 178 is 6,587.
Well done! Let's look at another question. Find the value of 6,387 minus 2,099. Are you confident of solving it?
Let me try.
Do it step by step.
Okay, first I shall place the digits in the appropriate columns. Can I don't write the headings, teacher?
Yes, you may. But make sure you align the numbers neatly.
Now I can start to subtract the ones. Since there are not enough ones to subtract from, I shall rename 8 tens and 7 ones as 7 tens and 17 ones. 17 ones minus 9 ones is 8 ones.
Now, subtract the tens.
As there are not enough tens to subtract from, I need to rename 3 hundreds and 7 tens as 2 hundreds and 17 tens. 17 tens minus 9 tens is 8 tens. So I write 8 in the tens column. Next, I subtract the hundreds. 2 hundreds minus 0 hundred is 2 hundreds. So I write 2 in the hundreds column. Lastly, I subtract the thousands. 6 thousands minus 2 thousands is 4 thousands. Therefore, 6,387 minus 2,099 is 4,288.
Excellent, Turbo Girl. Let's recall what we have learned in this lesson, Turbo Girl.
When we subtract 4-digit numbers, we first align the digits according to their place value.
Next, we subtract the ones, followed by
the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands.
Good! But don't forget, we need to do renaming when there is not enough value to subtract from. That will be all for today, Turbo Girl.
Thank you, teacher. See you next lesson.